If you lost your job tomorrow, would you feel calm or panicked? Every woman needs two money tools, an emergency fund and an investment account. But here's the real question. Which one should come first? Your emergency fund is your safety net, money for layoffs, medical bills, or unexpected costs. Your investment account is your growth engine. It builds wealth through compounding. Think of one as a seatbelt, the other as the accelerator. You need both, but not at the same time. Women face specific risks, pay gaps, career breaks for caregiving, and longer lifespans. That means an emergency fund isn't just comfort, it's risk management that preserves long-term progress when life interrupts work. Start by calculating monthly essentials: housing, food, childcare, healthcare. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. If your monthly budget is $37.50, your target is $11,000 to $22,500 in cash. Keep it in a high-yield savings account, not under your pillow. Here's the smart sequence. First, save $1,000 as a starter emergency fund. This covers most small crises. Second, start investing even small amounts. Even $100 monthly begins your wealth-building journey. Third, gradually build to 3 months while continuing to invest. You're doing both, but in the right order. At 7% returns, $100 per month becomes $52,000 in 20 years. $500 monthly becomes $260,000. Without investing, your emergency fund just sits there. With investing, your money works for you. Here's what this means in practice. Without emergency savings, a job loss forces you to sell investments during market downturns, locking in losses. With 3 months saved, you ride out the storm and let your investments recover. That's the difference between protection and panic. Use this rule. If you have less than 3 months saved, build your fund first while investing small amounts. If you have 3 to 6 months, balance both. If you already have 6+ months, prioritize growing investments toward your freedom number. Which stage are you at? Starter, building, or growth? Comment below with your plan. Subscribe for Sunday's video on simple index fund strategies for working moms.